Sheriff's office. Sheriff's office. Sheriff's office. Sheriff's office. Sheriff's office.
Who's there?
Sheriff's office, sir.
I've got a gun. You better get the hell out of here.
Sir, are you okay? Sir, Sheriff's office. It's the sheriff. You put your gun down. It's the sheriff's office, sir. 10-4, subject's armed. Hey, put your gun down, sir. Put your gun down. Sheriff's office. I'm announcing myself. He's armed with a gun.
You're out here.
Sir, put the gun down, please. Hey, watch it when you come up the stairs. Sheriff's office, sir, put the gun down, please. Sir, I just want to make sure you're okay. Please put the gun down. Sir, can you please put the gun down? You're not in trouble. We just want to make sure you're okay.
I'll tell you what you do.
No. Please put the gun down, sir.
Come out in the open and sit down.
Sir, put the gun down, please.
Sit down or I'll blow you right out of
Sir, I don't want to do this. Please put the gun down. Listen, sir, I just want to make sure you're okay. That is all. Your neighbor was concerned about you.
Well, we're going to find out.
That's it, sir. Nobody's in trouble, okay? Listen, nobody's in trouble. Sir, put the gun down. Sir. Sir, put the gun down.
Who the hell are you at?
Sir. Shots fired. Shots fired.
Incredibly sad, tragic. The front door was open. That's why the neighbor was concerned. So how does the presence of a gun escalate a police response in this whole situation? Dr. Keith Taylor, I'll start with you.
On every level, it goes from 0 to 100. The officer's adrenaline is pumping. There's fear for her safety. It's palpable, and it's demonstrable by the fact that this individual has the gun, is not listening to her commands, almost pleading with him to drop the weapon. So there might have been some medical issues in terms of hearing or vision problems, and maybe some mental health issues. May have been something regarding his age, but ultimately that she had no other choice, unfortunately.
Donald Schweitzer, some people may look at this and say, okay, you're in there for a welfare check, and then once you see the gun, should the officer stay there? Should the officer attempt to leave the house? I mean, was there any other way around this? 88 years old, and it was a neighbor who called who was very concerned.
Yeah, Vinny, I think all of our hearts go out to this family, the family of the deceased retired cop. He was 88 years old, retired. His wife had passed. He was by himself. Very, very sad way to go out. But we also have to think about the officer who had to shoot. I'm sure that she's never going to be the same after this, and as well as the rest of the officers that responded. It's one of these situations, welfare checks, that most officers have experienced, and I know that you've had a lot of these on your show where they end up in violence. Typically, it's because somebody's out of sorts mentally or for whatever reason, and the officer who's there to help has to make a very quick decision. This officer tried everything that she could not to shoot this man. Apparently, there was no way to seek cover She couldn't flee. I'm sure she would have wanted to. So she had to do what she had to do to survive. It's just one of these really sad situations, Vinny. And again, our hearts go out to both sides of this story.
Absolutely. Well stated.